Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, we're going to go ahead and replace that clock switch for the Vrod. Super simple install, just take your time, make sure you do it correctly. There was the part number for just a second there. We're going to go ahead and test it on the bench and make sure that it fits in that horn assembly well. It has a little square on it that actually keeps it from rotating. And then you tighten down the little dust cap, and that makes sure everything stays in there. So let's get it installed. Okay, as I cycle through this, if I hold the button now, it should, okay, it does. There we go. I hold the button again. Okay, let's move to the next one. Just like that, it's fixed.